lambda 1 equal to 0.001, lambda 2 equal to 0.005, and lambda 3 equal to 0.007, and lambda 4 equal to 0.0025, lambda 5 equal to 0.0001. So the mean time of failure equal to lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 plus lambda 4 plus lambda 5 divided by 5. That is 0.00921 divided by 5. And standard deviation